Oh, did he take the phone away from you?
Go pull his hair.
He took the phone away from Jacob. Jacob. Did he take the phone from you? Oh, it's so hard. What? Ooh, dirty face.
You're not going to get me.
You don't have to worry about that. Jacob.
Sorry.
Jacob. Hey. What are you doing? You want to come here? A, B, C, D.